So this is the Razer Viper Ultimate. So this lights up and this lights up, and it comes with a dongle right here. This one right here. It weighs about 75.3. So comes with white feet. And the D-pad button's on the bottom right here. And the on-off switch. Versus the regular Viper, which is 70. Which is just 70. This is a regular Viper. Has a wire, as you can see. And this is the G305. Which is 82 with the lithium battery. Let's go back to this again. So 75. And it's like, this is like 5 ounces lighter. Actually, way lighter. 68. This is way lighter. It's like 10 grams lighter. So let's do a review of this guy. The review is that it's wireless, has charges on the dock when you charge it. It's magnetic. Now it's charging. When it charges, turns green. It's magnetic. That's how you know it's charging. And so that's pretty cool. It feels the same as the wired version. I actually prefer the wired version more than the Ultimate, because the wired version feels lighter to me and it glides better because the feet are bigger. The feet are like huge, like that. They're huge. There's a lot of feet, mouse feet. So I prefer the regular Viper over this one. But since the Viper doesn't have the features I want, which I built in 2 videos, like the Iron Man theme, DPI on the top right here. DPI, I want the DPI right here. If you haven't seen the videos, it's pretty good shape. I like it, that fact that it's really light. This is way lighter. The wired one is way lighter. This one feels a bit heavier. It feels like a G305, the same weight for some odd reason. But I'm getting used to it, so it's not as bad. So yeah, do I recommend it? If you can get it for if you looking for a wireless mouse, it's a pretty good mouse. But is it better than G305? Yes and a no. I still prefer this one for office and game. This for office is better, but for this office, I'm like, it's like office. I don't know, office work. I prefer this for office work. I don't know why, because I guess the mouse clicks. G305, and yeah, I don't know. Look how messy my table is. And this is a really bad review. So yeah, this is my Razer Ultimate review. I prefer the wired old school Viper. It's really good. I haven't tried the Mini yet, but yeah, it's cool. Now at Razer everything, so I got my dream mouse, my dream keyboard, Team Razer. I might go Team Logitech, but I'm like shelving another $100 for a keyboard, because Razer makes really good keyboards and they make pretty good mouse. But are they as good as Logitech? Logitech makes really good mice, like the best office mice. They're gaming. Razer is king for gaming, but office, Logitech is king for office. So yeah, depends on what kind of flavor you want. You want like a balanced in between, like gaming and office, then go Logitech. If you want like pure gaming, then Razer. But for office, it's like, feels not office-y, a bit weird. But maybe because I use Logitech more. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.